Exciting news, everyone! The groundbreaking of Centria Torres Vermosa is official happening, and the construction is now in progress. This mid-rise pet-friendly condo by Ayala Land is set to redefine modern living in the heart of Vermosa campus town. As you can see behind me, around the side pointing the construction progress. The site is now fully mobilized and construction is moving forward soon. This area will transform into a vibrant master plan community featuring studio and one-bedroom units with balconies, modern amenities, full fitness center, and green spaces. Strategic location near De La Salle Sobel, Ayala Mall Vermosa, and the Sports Hub. Reserves now. The limited units available. With construction now underway, units available is getting tighter. Take advantage of the introductory pricing and flexible payment terms, starting just at 12,000 per month. Don't wait, unit prices go up. Secure your unit today. Contact me, Jason Leong. I'm a real estate broker, and here's my number, 0931-190-4888, and my website is www.investor.com.